Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given rational equation that involves exponents as well. So we got 5 divided by 2 power x plus 7 divided by 2 power x plus 9 divided by 2 power x plus 11 divided by 2 power x equals to 8 power 13. In other words, we are going to find the value of x. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first thing we can see. We have a 2 power x across the board in the denominator. So we can factor that one out. So therefore we can write 1 divided by 2 power x outside. And we got 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 equals to 8 power 13 on the right hand side. Now we can see inside this parentheses, if we add all these numbers, that adds up to 32. Therefore we got 1 divided by 2 power x times 32 equals to 8 power 13. And now let's focus on this 32. 32 is same as 2 power 5. Likewise, let's focus on this 8. 8 could be written as 2 power 3. So therefore this equation could be written as 1 divided by 2 power x times 32. I can write as 2 power 5 equal to, on the right hand side, 8 could be written as 2 power 3 and then whole power 13. Now this 1 divided by 2 power x could be written as 2 power negative x when we move it to the numerator times, this is going to stay same. I'm going to write down 2 power 5 equals to, and now let's recall this power rule of exponents. We are going to apply it on the right hand side. So that means we can multiply out these two nested exponents. So this could be written as 2 power 3 times 13 is 39. And now let's recall this product rule of exponents. We are going to apply it on the left hand side. So the left hand side could be written as 2 power negative x plus 5 equals to 2 power 39. And now we can see that we have the same bases on both sides, which is 2. So therefore we can equate our exponents as well. So therefore this equation could be written as negative x plus 5 equals to 39. Let's go ahead and subtract 5 from both sides, and we can see that this cancels out. So therefore our negative x is going to be equal to 34. And if we switch these negative signs around, our x value is going to be negative 34, and that is going to be our solution. So thus our solution turns out to be x equal to negative 34, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.